Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Kawasaki Ninja 650. ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected sport bike. Beautiful metallic sparkle black. Only 3,192 miles on this gorgeous Ninja. Make your middleweight sport bike dreams come true with this beautiful Ninja 650. Price to sell just $59.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.